Hello guys, it's Jazz
and Marty.
And today we're going to be showing...
We're going to be showing...
No,
Oh, fuck.
I was stuttering.
Show myself to show these people some
Hello guys, it's Jazz
and Marty.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make this full head cast right here. You know, for those of you that need your own head cast for any old personal reason.
Now, I know you're probably thinking, what the hell do I need a full cast of my head for? Well, have you ever done something that was so dumb that you wanted to smack your own self in the back of the head? Well, you can do that now. Sent the girl that dick pic and then she responded, "Oh, that's cute." Took your boyfriend back after he done cheated on you 30 times?
Ever withhold the paychecks of over 800,000 federal employees for your own personal agenda? Well, if you've done any of those things or just need a head cast to craft on, then we'll show you how to make that right about now.
So here's what you'll need. A pair of scissors, some trash bags, 2 buckets, some perfect cast, which you can find at your local craft store, some Vaseline, some plaster strips, some plastic wrap, a bowl with water, a spoon, some gloves, a paintbrush, some wood glue, and a small bowl. So let's get started. To begin, taking your plastic wrap, you're going to want to wrap the neck and the back of the head of your partner to ensure that the plaster does not stick to any clothing once dried. Once that's done, take your Vaseline and generously apply it to all of the areas you want to plaster, including on top of the plastic wrap. This allows for an easy removal later and to prevent any facial hair from being pulled out. As you can see, I applied quite a good amount to the goatee and the eyebrows. Is the nose. Taking super tiny strips, carefully wrap them around the tip of the nose and nostrils, ensuring there's still enough space so they can breathe. Don't forget to constantly ask if they're comfortable. And just like that, the head is wrapped, and this is what it should look like. For extra security, make sure you apply 2 coats to the face as well. Once you've given the mold time to dry, about 30 minutes to an hour, it's now time to remove the plaster mold from your partner. Start by carefully cutting from the base of the neck to the top of the head in a straight line. Depending on how many layers you've used, this may be a little more difficult. Begin pulling each half apart and allowing your partner to gently wiggle their head out from the mold. Larger heads take more time. But just like that, it's off, and you have yourself a nice mold to cast in. Now it's time to reinforce the mold by patching up the slit you just made by cutting it. Carefully place more plaster strips over both the outside and the inside of the mold along the cut you've made. Use your now available partner to help you out by holding the mold in place. After the inside is sufficiently reinforced, cover the holes left behind in the nostrils so that there is no more open spaces for the plastic to leak out of, like so. Once all of the open spaces in the mold are patched up, it's time to prepare it for casting. Generously Vaseline the interior of the mold. Taking your large bucket and your perfect cast, Mix 3 parts perfect cast to 1 part water and stir with a gloved hand until smooth. Pour the mixture into the mold that you've propped up in a large bucket using some old clothes or towels. This is to keep it from tilting over. The wonders of editing have made it seem like you used 1 bag, but really, you'll need about 3 to 4 to completely fill the mold. Now once the cast has completely dried, preferably overnight, you can cut the mold off using a pair of scissors. Don't worry about being neat, you won't be able to use this mold again anyway. And there you have it, a rough cast of your face. Finish it off by taking a spoon and smoothing out the rough edges of the cast. Polish it up by painting the entire surface with some wood glue, and you're pretty much done.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like these from Jazz and Marty, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. But until next time, lots of love.
And like that, this will be the end.